car crashes are the leading cause of preventable injury or death for kids in the U.S., but the majority of car seats aren't installed correctly. Now, Golisano leaders are sounding the alarm on the rise of counterfeit car seats.
These car seats actually do not hold up in a crash. They can disintegrate.
They're also seeing more and more non-U.S. approved car seats.
Doesn't mean it's a fake car seat, it just means that it's not U.S. approved. It's approved in other countries which have different features. It doesn't have a chest clip. A chest clip is a required feature, a Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard. While this one is a 3-point harness, and it's not a counterfeit car seat, it is not a U.S. approved car seat. These labels don't have any words, they're just pictograms.
Correctly used car seats can reduce the risk of death by more than 70%.
Here are a couple things to look for in a U.S. approved car seat. There'll be labels showing you how to properly install it, weight and height limits, plus the manufacturer's information. You also want to make sure you've got a 5-point harness with a chest clip.
You should buy a car seat from a big box store. Avoid secondhand car seats and fill out and mail in the registration card. Golisano will help with installing car seats. You can learn more by searching for child passenger safety on lehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.